back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope everyone's having a great day. So I'm your host Rituka, and this channel, The Vegan Flower Child, is all about making vegan recipes, exploring vegan food in cafes and restaurants, and exploring a lot of vegan products in the market. And today, besides being a recipe video, we're going to be talking about some vegan mithai. And the recipe that we're going to be making today is a vegan pistachio apricot cheese recipe. So let me talk about the mithai first. So guys, this mithai brand, it's known as hariprasad Mithaiwale, and they're Pune based. Their mithais are completely dairy free, refined sugar free, and they're still authentic and yummy like your traditional mithais. They do free delivery all over India, so that's super cool. They have like your, the bundi laddu, the motichur laddu. It's one of my favorites. They have your besan laddu, which we generally have during Diwali. They have a chocolate fudge, which is again really nice. All their mithais are really nice. They also do modaks, like your plain modak, your mango modak, your chocolate modak. They have this interesting coconut pan laddu, which has like a gulkand filling. They are super cool. They also have a lot of pedas, like your chocolate peda, your rose peda. They also have this Karachi halwa, which is like this jelly like thing. They veganized even that. All their mithais are made in desi vegan ghee, so it's like really authentic. And they also have slightly more healthier mithais, like your flaxseed laddus, your ragi laddus, your oats laddu, and so on and so forth. It just goes on. They have like a variety of 27 mithais. So I'm going to put the link in the description of their website, so you can have a look at all the 27 mithais and their price, and you can call for it. So we guys do not have to miss out on occasions, on weddings, on functions. We can relish our traditional Indian vegan, refined sugar-free mithais, which taste authentic just like the original. You have to have it to believe what I'm saying. I hope you guys found this information really informative, because I was super happy when I found this, and I want to share it with you guys. And now let's get to making the recipe, our pistachio apricot cheese. To make the vegan pistachio apricot cheese, here I'm using 75 grams of pistachios that I've soaked in water overnight with a pinch of Himalayan pink salt and rinsed the water. 175 ml of water, which I've divided in two portions, approximately 90 ml is each portion. 1 or 2 cloves of garlic, a tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 plus 1/4 tablespoon of maple syrup, a teaspoon of Agar Agar, that's vegan gelatin. I shall put the link in the description as to where you can buy it from. A tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt, and 10 grams of dried apricot chopped. Now we shall keep the dried apricot, the Agar Agar, and 1 portion of water aside and blend rest of the ingredients. Bright looking puree is ready. So now we can take a glass bowl, and I've oiled it completely, and now we can add a few dried chopped apricots to it at a distance from each other, and keep this ready on the side. We can now keep a pan on the gas on medium heat and add our second portion of water to it, along with a teaspoon of the Agar Agar. Now we can keep stirring this for a couple of minutes till it becomes a little thick. We can then add our puree to this and mix it really well. Transfer this to your oiled bowl. Add the remaining chopped dried apricots. give it a good mix and even it out. Let this cool off completely and then you can refrigerate it for a couple of hours. And you can finally demold it. And our vegan pistachio apricot cheese is done. It looks so beautiful and stunning. Taste the cheese with some crackers. It's quite a tasty cheese, and especially the apricot goes really well with it. This would be an awesome snack with a glass of wine. So what are you waiting for, guys? Call your friends over and enjoy this cheese. And do let me know how did it turn out. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, this video. If yes, please go ahead and like it, subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to press the notification bell icon so that you're notified every time I upload a video. And do follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well. And until next time.